In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the manage.wix.com platform in a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or just getting started, this guide will help you efficiently manage your Wix site settings, focusing on setting up URL redirects, a crucial part of optimizing your site's SEO and user experience. First, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Setup section. This is the main hub for managing your Wix website, and you'll find a variety of tools and options here. It's your command center, so to speak, where you can oversee all the essential functions of your website, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Site and Mobile App. By selecting this, you'll be directed to a page where you can handle all aspects related to your site's interfaces. It's particularly handy because making sure your site is mobile friendly is an integral part of delivering a seamless experience to your audience, regardless of the device they use. Moving on, you'll want to click on SEO and GEO. This section is critical because it contains all your SEO tools, the backbone of drawing traffic to your site. Effective SEO ensures that your site ranks well on search engines, making it more likely that potential visitors will find you when searching for relevant topics. Here, you can adjust settings to improve how search engines interact with your site. Once in the SEO and GEO section, you'll see an option titled Go to URL Redirect Manager. Click on it. This manager is an incredibly useful tool. It allows you to handle redirects effectively, ensuring that any changes you make to your site's URL are reflected across the web, preventing those dreaded 404 errors that can turn visitors away in frustration. In the URL Redirect Manager, you'll find a list of existing URL redirects. You have the option to edit or delete unnecessary URLs. This step is crucial in maintaining an organized and efficient web presence, purging old URLs that may no longer serve your strategy. Streamlining your URLs not only makes your site easier to navigate, but also helps search engines understand your site's structure better. Finally, if after making these changes you find things are still not displaying as expected, you might need to clear your browser's cache. Cached files can sometimes hold on to outdated site information, so clearing them can help ensure you're viewing the most current version of your website. To do this, navigate to your browser's settings, locate the cache clearing option, and follow the prompts. And there you go. You've learned how to navigate manage.wix.com to effectively manage your site's settings and redirects. This process is pivotal for maintaining a professional and well-optimized website, ensuring that both search engines and your audience have the best experience possible. Thanks for following along, and happy website managing!